In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal Bitcoin wallet address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and how to safely copy your address so you can receive Bitcoin into your PayPal account without mistakes. Start by opening the PayPal mobile app. It's the familiar blue and white icon on your phone. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account features. If something looks different from what you see here, it can help to update the app to the latest version. From the home screen, look along the bottom of the app and tap Finances. This section shows the wallets and balances connected to your PayPal account, and it's where your crypto options live. At the top of the Finances page, tap Crypto. You'll now see the list of cryptocurrencies that are available to you within PayPal. If you don't see crypto as an option, it may not be available in your region or on your current account yet. Next, select Bitcoin. Look for the orange Bitcoin logo and make sure you're choosing Bitcoin, not Bitcoin Cash. They are different networks with different wallet addresses. Sending to the wrong type of address can result in lost funds, so it's worth pausing to double check. On the Bitcoin page, find the two directional arrows icon in the bottom right corner and tap it. This opens your transfer options. Choose Receive, which is indicated by the QR code icon. This tells PayPal you want to view the information someone else will need to send Bitcoin to you. You'll now see a QR code and your Bitcoin wallet address displayed as a long string of letters and numbers. Tap Copy to copy the full address to your clipboard. This is the safest way to capture it because typing the address manually can introduce errors. One wrong character can cause a failed or misdirected transfer. If you prefer, you can use Share to send the address through your device's share options. If you're receiving from another wallet app, scanning the QR code directly is often the quickest and most accurate method. Before you use the address, always confirm that the sending platform is set to the Bitcoin network, not any other network or coin. Memo or tag fields are not used for Bitcoin, so you don't need to enter those. If you ever notice the address looks different later, just return to this screen and use the one currently displayed. And that's it. You now know how to find and copy your PayPal Bitcoin wallet address. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.